Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And simply for checking for the updates, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you will decide to download the update, then I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi because the packages which are connected with the updates are quite large and it may cause some charges if you will use mobile data. Alright, so we've got the internet connection and then we can open the settings. Here, let's simply tap on My Phone, which is at the top of the list, and here we've got this XOS, which is our basically software. So just tap on check for updates here, and now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there is nothing to download. As you can see, you've got relevant information, and the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.